just got back from Walmart and I've been eyeballing this specific product for a while. It was $2.97. It matches my floors and I wanted like the farmhouse theme in the dining room. So I have my, of course, mirror from HomeGoods up here. And then I have like a basic gray white clock. And then I have my other picture from HomeGoods. So it's gonna given a whole thing. It was kind of bare in here, so I'm about to decorate. Let me pull this down. I'm about to decorate this so that y'all can see. Do not have my selfie light, so ignore the light. So I'm gonna show y'all a couple of the things that I got, which is one. I got this, and it's gonna have like some potpourri in it. I got this. Don't ask me what I'm gonna put in here, but I'll store something in there. Miscellaneous items. Something will go in there. And then I also got, this is the potpourri or home decor stuff that's gonna go in here. And then I also got two vases to go on top. Gotta get some flowers to go in it, but they're gonna sit here. Oop, I almost dropped it. And here, this is gonna go in the middle for now. And I can put all of my plates, like my good plates, under here. And like the wine glasses and bottles and stuff. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, y'all. The decor is really cute. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what she is looking like. I'm gonna sit this on this side. This is what it's looking like. Then again, I don't know if I want that up there. How y'all feel about it? Like up here. Yeah, I could put my candle warmer up here. Because I do have a plug right here. So something like this, y'all. Candle warmer back here. Plug it in. Smush back here, trying to get it.
We're gonna get up there.
Alright, look, be careful.
Look.
So something like this. Of course, it's gonna look better once I put my greenery, scenery, flowers in there. But this is a good view. It's cute. I also don't want to have it like overcrowded.
Maybe I'll just make that.
I'm gonna put this here. I don't know if I want to keep this in here. Just throwing it off, right, y'all? Y'all can really see. I'll put this somewhere else. I don't think it. You know what? I do have some shells down here. I could have had it at the bottom down here. Maybe something like right here. And then of course I'm gonna put my plates and stuff on this side. And I'm gonna let y'all watch me work. Hobby Lobby and get the greenery type thing to put with it. And because my mirror is hanging up, I don't have anything to put on this wall and it looks bare. So what I want to do is get a plant and put it over here in the corner, because this room is like really, really bare. So yeah, maybe put like a plant over here. Or I could do it in the corner here. Oh, y'all, we about to get this together. Okay? We're gonna get it right. So we're gonna put Mr. Green right here. Oh. Speaking of Mr. Green, he needs to be watered. But, okay, let me see how that looks. Okay. I'm liking it. Maybe I need to move this down just a little bit to give him a little room. Like that. We good, Mackies? Let's bring it back here. Looks good. I think I did good. Definitely think I did a good job. Yeah. All right, y'all. It is almost time for, well, it's been time for us to go to sleep. But y'all know we had to get the girls, so, well, he had to get the girls. So, yeah. What I'm about to do is go ahead and get myself ready for bed, I guess. I mean, I'm home by myself. My husband done left me. But it's all good. Just wanted to get our girlies. Y'all, I did clean the kitchen. So that's a good thing. I went ahead and did that while he was putting that together. I was doing the cleaning. Because, baby, when I tell y'all, I literally get so tired of cleaning, y'all. These kids. That is the reason. Alright, so you know what would have been cute though, y'all? Just looking at it now. Big Daddy's little his little thingy I got for Christmas. That would have been really cute up there. But I got another entry table, so we just want to thug it out. Leave it alone and thug it out. And I also have another plant over here, y'all. I'm planting it up. But anywho, I'm about to end this vlog. Alright, y'all, late night snack before I close it down. I am going in with some cookies that I wanted to try. I actually got these from Aldi's. This is my first time trying cookies actually from Aldi's, but first time for everything. So they have the sea salt caramel and chocolate chip chunk cookie dough. That's this one. And then they have like the regular chocolate chip cookie dough with almond brittle. I think I'm gonna try the almond brittle one. A late night treat since I'm still up. Y'all, my bedtime is literally 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I know I'm not even gonna be feeling it tomorrow. So this is how they come. I'm gonna show y'all the pack in just a second. To bake some. My girls might want some cookies, so make a note for them. But it comes in a tray like this, a little cookie tray. They smell good. They really do. And I'll let y'all know how these cookies taste, so the next time you're in Aldi's, y'all can definitely go ahead and get y'all some.